the lesson today, we're going to be writing the inequality from the graph. Now, the good thing about this is you can write it in one form. So you know how we graphed it from two different forms. Can anybody tell me the two different forms, the names of them? Standard and almost. Standard and you're really close. Slope, intercept. So, the standard form was in AX plus BY, some inequality, and C. And the slope intercept was Y, some inequality, MX plus B. Okay? So, right here, you had to learn to graph from two different forms. Well, when you give me the equation of this line, you really only have to give it to me in slope intercept. That's really easy, okay? So, we're going to talk about giving it to me in slope intercept. Now, the first thing I really want you to do is Y, leave a space, blank X plus blank. Now, what's going to go right here in the last blank? Your Y intercept. So where is my line crossing the Y-axis at what value? 4. Now, who can tell me what's going to go right here in front of the X? Slope. Now, I'm going to tell y'all one of the things that messed you up on your quiz is you didn't pay attention to negative slopes. Okay? First of all, is my line going up or down? Down. So my slope will be negative. I would go ahead and put the negative there. Because what's happening is you get so involved in finding the rise over the run that you forget to put the negative. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to find a good space to go to. Okay, I'm going to call this one the next good point. So tell me what my slope is. Negative 2 over 3. Now the last thing that we have to do is tell me where it is shaded. Now I'm going to put my pen on the line. Remember, you wrote Y first. So I'm going to get to the shading by either going up or down. How am I going to get to the shaded area? By going up. So up in the Y direction is greater than or less than? Greater than. Now the last thing I have to attend to, is this a solid line or a dashed line? Solid. So that means I have to put an equal under it. And that's it. Much easier than you anticipated. Okay. Now, let's do another one. Let me put my grid back up here. Come on. Okay, looking up here. Y space blank x plus blank. Now, I'm going to look at where it crosses the y, and then I know my points aren't, my line isn't that great. Let me pick I'm going to let's see, 1, 2. All right, we're going to go with this one right here. Okay, those are my 2 points. Now, what am I going to put in the last blank? A 1. What am I going to put next to the x? 1. Now, this is not negative, it's going uphill. So 1 over 1, rise 1, run 1, 1. Can you leave the 1 off if you want to? Yes. Now, putting my pencil on the line. Where would I have to go to get to the shaded area? Up or down? Down. So what's my inequality going to be? Less than or equal to? It is a solid line, so it gets the equal to. Okay? Let's do one more. Y'all forgive me, it's kind of hard to get this ruler to go where I want it to. Okay. Y space blank x plus blank. So I'm going to go with this point, and then I'm going to go with this point. So where does it cross on the y? -3. Okay. Is this a positive or negative slope? Negative. So I'm going to go on and put my negative right there. So I'm going to start at this point, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my slope is -3/5. Now I'm going to put my pencil on the line. Which direction will I go to get to the shaded area? Up. So what inequality would that be? Greater than. Do I put an equals under it? No. Why? It's dotted or dashed. Okay.